It's not a big difference from the dang ventilators, except they don't have the mesh.
Oh.
And the heel that rubs me to death.
Yeah, yeah. Well, these anti-odor, it says. That's a
Does
plus.
that work?
I don't know.
Well, you'd need to know.
Yeah, it doesn't stink that bad. It stinks pretty good.
How is that anti-odor then?
God, that just looks like such a minimal hassle. Just
Yeah.
be able to put those on with a pair of socks and get going.
Robin's in the bush.
Yeah, she's the ice manager.
Yeah.
I met an Iceman Trail guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think I've heard that.
Iceman. And then I met Fryer. He's a nurse. He's an RN.
No,
At
just
OSHU.
this.
HSU, whatever.
It takes a long